World in Business. Business in the World is a website that explains various information needed around the world, including insurance, lawyers, loans, claim, credit, donate, degree, etc. 10 cheapest sports automobiles to insure. By poster. If your teen is planning on driving long distances to activities or to school in a few years, the zero-gravity front seats are designed to enhance blood move and reduce fatigue throughout long drives. Insurance for the Model 3 and different Tesla vehicles is so costly as an outcome of as a luxury automobile. Teslas are costlier to repair and are a more enticing target for thieves. We had Allstate Roadside Assistance Life Insurance through their SUV insurance coverage and had been all the time delighted by their honest service and remedy. Finding insurance on your vehicle is essential to guard your funds and even legally required in most states. It's necessary to note, nevertheless, that not all cars value the same to insure. Truck vs. Car Insurance, Bankrate.com. Truck vs. Car Insurance. Posted, Tuesday, November 2, 2021, 7 GMT. Source. The cheapest automobiles to insure for teenage drivers are the Subaru Forester, Dodge Grand Caravan, and the Honda Odyssey. Knowing what vehicles are less expensive to insure can make a big difference in your premiums, for the reason that distinction between the most affordable and most expensive automobiles can be as much as $1,500 per year. If your insurer does not lower your premium just for taking a course, working on your driving skills will nonetheless pay off in the long term and help you hold your record clear. On that observe, Sure states additionally let you take a course to have the ability to stop driver's license factors from affecting your automobile insurance rates. The cheapest vehicles to insure in 2021. We keep a firewall between our advertisers and our editorial group. Our editorial staff does not receive direct compensation from our advertisers. All of our content material is authored by highly certified professionals and reviewed by subject material consultants, who guarantee every little thing we publish is goal, accurate and worthy of your trust. Auto insurers are required to send policyholders an insurance card. Individuals counting on insurance options will obtain certificates in lieu of an insurance coverage card. The BMW M is made for power and efficiency. In any case, the M stands for Motorsports, which their racing program within the 70s is the place this line received its start. Lower car insurance rates may be available if you have different insurance coverage insurance policies with the same company. The Voyager has a 5-star overall security rating by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, which helps keep insurance coverage prices inexpensive. If you're carried out reviewing what's the least expensive automotive to insure and are prepared to buy used automobile insurance coverage now, enter your zip code beneath to match used car insurance corporations in your area. These fee estimates apply to 35-year-old drivers with good credit and good driving data, and they're for full protection insurance. The variety of drivers in your policy: if you add someone to your coverage, your fee will increase, particularly if that somebody is a new teen driver. Statistically, teenagers have extra accidents, so that they're dearer to insure. The quantity of your deductible: higher deductibles can considerably lower automotive insurance coverage premiums. While it might imply more out-of-pocket expenses within the occasion of an accident, it may also imply paying less over time. Downsize your automobile. Moreover, Audi firms supply shoppers insurance prices for them to remember of the expenses the auto insurance coverage can cowl. The average insurance coverage price fee for Audi Automotive Fashions ranges round $150 to $200 a month. In contrast, the yearly insurance coverage rate varies because of the different features that different Audi car fashions include. Teen driver car insurance coverage charges in Texas will be the highest of any age group due to their inexperience and better frequency of accidents. Average insurance charges for 16 to 19-year-olds ranges from $3,660 per 12 months for a 19-year-old female driver up to $5,216 per 12 months for a 16-year-old male driver. If you make a profit, then apply that to your new cheaper automotive insurance coverage policy. Since insurance coverage providers mostly use the same databases to determine driver premiums, buying around for a brand new supplier after an accident may solely yield barely higher charges. In DUI cases, derogatory marks on your document could require you to file an SR-22 and discover insurers who serve high-risk profiles. Verify security scores and purchase a vehicle that's considered protected by insurance coverage corporations. The goal purchasers and automobile profiles the insurance coverage firm is on the lookout for, which affect reductions used to attract the appropriate stage of danger. On the other hand, selecting the bottom or lower-priced mannequin of a model new automobile can prevent over $200 a 12 months in contrast with an automobile with high-end options like navigation, a premium sound system, or a power moonroof. Insuring one of these vehicles with full protection averages around $126 a month, which is $9 cheaper per 30 days than the national average. Drivers can also be successful of scale back the variety of points they've on their licenses by taking a defensive driving, accident prevention, or other course. With competitors threatening Tesla's domination in the luxury electric car area, it didn't take long for Elon Musk and company to respond. The wildest fashions yet from Tesla are the Model S Plaid and Plaid Plus, notes Gale. With 3 motors as a substitute Geico insurance of the usual models too, the Plaid vehicles have a claimed high velocity of 200 miles per hour, with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in a manufacturer-estimated 1.99 seconds, and a driving vary of as lot as 520 miles. At Motor Trend, we can't wait to check out these claims for ourselves. It's one other reference to the Spaceballs film as a pace beyond ludicrous. Previously, a nod to the Spaceballs was made with the Tesla ludicrous mode providing. These are pattern rates and should solely be used for comparative purposes. Kate Daventer is a writer, editor, and insurance coverage professional with over a decade of experience within the insurance coverage industry as a licensed insurance coverage agent. Bankrate has partnerships with issuers together with, but not restricted to, American Express, Bank of America, Capital One, Chase, Citi and Discover. If you imagine your request for a credit score underwriting exception was improperly denied, you'll have the ability to go to the Texas Department of Insurance complaint process web page to file a criticism. Those convicted of a DUI in Texas face jail terms of 3 days to 6 months and a compulsory license suspension of 90 days to 12 months. And if it's your third offense, or if there is a minor baby within the automobile, your fine in Texas could run as high as $10,000. The remaining 30% appeared to die from natural causes related to their injuries. Subaru Outback is considered one of the most cost-effective SUVs to insure at a starting worth of $1,392. The Toyota RAV4, certainly one of Toyota's 2020 compact crossover SUV, has set the bar of being the most expensive SUV to insure at a worth fee of $1,555. Data primarily based on the frequency of bodily injury claims as reported by IIHS HLDI. Automobiles,